Okay, this is Hoek of Holland again. Oh yeah, I've been here before, many times. So to get a flavour of day one, this is it really, just a lot of driving on the motorway, all the way from Hoek of Holland to my destination near Hamburg. I think I'm about halfway at the moment. The roads are really crowded with traffic, particularly in Holland. Once I got across the border into Germany, it's kind of seemed to suddenly get much quieter. It's very strange. So you feel like you're riding really fast, but actually you're only doing 68. I don't understand how people, the kind of etiquette for driving and overtaking on these German motorways. I thought these autobahns are meant to be kind of super speedy, but they don't seem to be. Maybe it's only certain ones where there's no limit. Turn-offs in 10 miles. So this is the rather green wooded vista of Hollendsdter. Where I turn off in about a mile. And then the Hotel Hollendsdter is Hof something, whatever it's called. Hollendsdter Hof is just a mile away from the exit. Thing is to not forget which way the traffic goes. Yeah, I've parked here before. Probably in exactly the same place.
Phew, here it is.